Hoover Dam, a wondrous historical landmark in its own right. But it is also home to a spectacular elevator that takes tourists 530 feet underground to see the inside of the dam. Let's go take a chew! The first elevator we come to will take us down one floor to the theater lane. Like the dam itself, the elevator shaft is built right into the rock face.
Going down.
Or close when you push the button. I like that.
Theater going up.
There it goes. You can hear the machine room behind that door. From the look of the buttons, it seems to be a Kone, though others have suggested that it's a mock-up.
Plaza.
The side of the canyon wall and short out, which would not be very helpful in getting the power transmitted to homes. So that is why those towers are the way they are. 30, okay, excellent. So, here we have Preston. Preston is going to be your guide for the first two stops as you were with the power plant group. So I will hand you off to him.
Okay, everyone, let's load up into the elevator. Let's load up into the elevator. Here we go. Let's get into the elevator. Here we go. Time is money. Here we go. Please, thank you. I know it's hot. Okay, let's get into the elevator. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, here we are. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Okay, my name is Preston, and I am your tour guide for the first two stops of your tour. So first, we are descending down within the Northwest Canyon Wall. We are descending 537 feet, 163 meters. It should take about 70 seconds before we reach our destination. When the doors open, we will walk through the construction attic. Then we will go into the original diversion tunnel. From there, we will go to the power plant where the generator is located. After that, you'll go with Xander. He'll take you on your tour. Okay. Okay, sir, this way here, this way here, this way here, this way here, this way here. Okay. Okay, sir, straight ahead, please.
So right now we're in the bottom right corner of this.
The Northwest Canyon Wall. Yeah, Northwest Canyon Wall.
Oh, wow. Wow. Don't tell me it's not good.
Whoa. These are the diversion tunnels that divert the water flow from Lake Mead to the Colorado River. There are 4 tunnels in total. Each one is 4,000 feet long and 56 feet in diameter.
Okay, man, let's go into this elevator here, please. Here we go.
Again, this does look like a cone egg, but it could have been a modded Montgomery into a cone.
Okay, here we go. And now we are going up 32 feet, very, very short ride. And we will make our way to the power plant where the generator is located. Okay?
So the Rockies had a lot of snow this year. Are you expecting the water?
12 to 18 months. That's how long it will take that runoff to make its way to the river.
So
12 to 18 months. Yes, ma'am.
So we are now inside of the second tower from the front left, or when you look at the front of the dam, the second tower, that is the original elevator shaft we're in. So we're going up 270 feet right now. Don't worry, it's the original elevator shaft. It's not the original elevator. Yeah, they replaced them. So we're going up 270 feet. When we get up there, you're going to see Xander on the right. You're going to walk down that vent, all right? So just watch your head, watch your step down there. Also, that grate, the vent is very hot. So just be careful if you're getting really close to it. Don't burn yourself. When that sun beats on it, it gets very hot. Excuse me. All right, so right up there.
But we do still want presentation. So folks, you're gonna head down the right side of the tunnel and back out the right side of the tunnel, right this way. And please do be courteous of the time of other folks behind you. So this is an inspection tunnel, and you may see that there is a crack with a date next to it. That is the date that that particular crack would have been discovered. So,
Les, do you think elevators are the only way to go up and down in the dam? Take a look at the staircase. 700 steps from top to bottom. The employees nicknamed it the Stairway to Heaven.
there's actually an aquifer below.
Look, you can see the handle from the old elevator.
Yeah. That old one used to be completely exposed to the shaft as you were going up. Yeah, it was just one of those old school like sliding grates, and so they had to operate it manually. You're right. That's why that handle is there.
And also they did this.
Yes.
What were those?
The circles and the lines. Is that like that over there by the elevator?
It was like a cross.
Oh,
Yeah.
that cross. Okay, so that actually, and next to that one that was on the floor, there's another triangle up on the wall. That was another way that they'd monitor if a particular block was level or not. They would more or less tie a string with a weight on it on the ceiling next to that triangle that was on the wall over that little target on the floor. And with that, they'd be able to determine what the level of that block you were currently standing in was.
Interesting.
All right, folks. Right on the elevator for me.
I know the fire extinguisher obviously there's safety reasons, but has any like fires or sparks broken out down here? Or?
Yes. And those folks did a wonderful job that day in combination with the systems that automatically put out that fire. They were successfully able to, put out that transformer fire and prevent that from spreading to any of the other transformers on the transformer deck. And so we were actually able to resume operations that same day. All right, folks, so when we get to the top here, we're going to be at the end of the guided portion of your tour. So you'll turn left to head back to Nevada or the parking garage or any of the exhibits and overlook back that way. You'll instead turn right if you want to head over toward Arizona, if you have perhaps parked over there. Maybe.
Floor 6.
All right. Just hold open this door for y'all.
And that's it. This concludes my Vegas road trip adventure. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. More elevator adventures ahead, so check back soon. Thanks for watching.